Right now, we are in our office in China, Jiangmen Guangdong province. I want to show you our factory, what we have. Let's see. KEEPBEST position as a midstream in the electronics product service as a one-stop PCB manufacturer, and we focusing on component mounting, component welding, equipment commission, quality control, and production efficiency. And we find the three key pinpoints in the industry and enhance customer service in R&D phase, manufacturing phase, and after-sales service phase. This is our electronic warehouse. We storage our components here.